TikTok has introduced new voice options for their text-to-speech feature. I'm Jessica from TechBoomers.com, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to change the text-to-speech voice on TikTok. Now let's get started. Start by creating your TikTok video as you normally would. Check out our Beginner's Guide to TikTok to learn the basics. Then add in a text box you would like to be read out loud by the text-to-speech voice. Tap your text, then select Text-to-Speech. Now check out the voice options that appear at the bottom. Tap a voice to hear what it sounds like.
Check out Tech Boomers on YouTube to learn about popular websites and apps.
When you find one you like, leave it selected. Then tap Apply this voice to the following text-to-speech. Tap Done. Repeat these steps to enable text-to-speech on each of your text boxes you want read out loud. You can select different voices for each text box if you wish. That's all it takes to change the text-to-speech voice on TikTok.
Check out Tech Boomers on YouTube to learn about popular websites and apps.
New tech tutorials published every week.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.